Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. Today I'm going to quickly go over how to remote start your Nissan. Now this specific truck is a 2023 Frontier Pro 4X, but I also have a 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. They are the exact same key. They both have the remote start feature and they both work the same way. So I'm going to say that as long as your Nissan has the automatic start or remote start feature, this should work. So right now the truck is unlocked. All you got to do, hit the lock, hold the top button. You can see you don't have to do it twice, just once. Then when you want it to stop, again, just one click of the top button there and she turns right off. Now my Pathfinder does the same thing. The only difference is if it's unlocked, you have to hit it twice and then remote start. Whereas this one, you can just lock once and remote start. But on both vehicles, now that it's locked, already locked, you only have to hit it once. Again, same on the Pathfinder, just the one lock, hold the button down, and she fires right up. And again, when you're done, push the button once and it turns off. Now, I don't know why, if it does this for fuel economy or what, but you can only do this twice. So now we've restarted the truck 2 times. So if I try to do this again now, you can see it won't let you remote start your car. It'll only do it twice. I'm not 100% sure why, but after you've done it twice, you have to physically go in the truck, fire it up normally, go in, push the brake, hit the start, let it fire up. Once you do that and you come to a stop, turn the car off, then it will allow you to auto start again. So if you've done it twice, maybe you live in a really cold climate somewhere, it's the middle of winter, you're trying to warm the vehicle up before you get in there, it'll let you do it twice. I believe it runs for either 10 or 15 minutes. And some vehicles, depending which one you have, you can actually change that in the settings to say 5, 10, 15 minutes, kind of 5-minute intervals like that. But again, after you do it twice, it will not let you remote start the car anymore. You have to get in, push the button, and do it the normal way. And then again, say you go to the grocery store, you park in the parking lot, you want to fire it up while you're putting your groceries in the back, then it'll allow you to do it again. You don't have to push it twice. One time, do it, good to go.